Yes, this is so, like, it's so much smaller than my other bike.
Put it in your back pocket.
Yeah, you notice a difference, don't you?
Yeah, like you get one that feels like a child's bike.
Come on, you boys, I want to go last.
You always want to go last.
I know.
Everyone transfers there, but they didn't transfer there.
No guts, no glory.
Oh, Freddie's here.
My bike, Freddie's here.
Just like Freddie on his son's bike.
One wrong move, there's no braking. This is the spot here where you do it in.
I'll catch it.
Loey loves this bit. Much more stressful than an exam. Your ankle or blah blah.
Oh, you need the
Does that help with those occasions?
Yes. Hey, I'm terrible.
What are you doing?
Are you?
Ow.
Oh, come on, what are we stopping at now?
Oh, come on.
Your dog or my bike?
How hard is that?
You're riding your bike, dog or my bike?
We normally go over this if there's no obstructions, like dogs and stuff. Right.
You can't, it's no clearance.
Look at that geography project you did in
Can't be that.
high school. The water downstream from this place is actually cleaner than the water upstream.
Up the hill to the boat yard and that back down through the bush. Just start. All right.
There's a sign on this one.
Doesn't matter. We can always come
What?
Yeah.
Dogsy knows where he's
I think
No, I don't know.
there's this one.
Say a
this
high
one.
road, because then you can
I
always
think
cut back
it's that
down.
one. That goes out the pony club track.
Yeah.
doesn't it?
Does it?
80, back this way.
Bart's made a decision without you. I think we're going. I think we
We'll go up and have a look. Go up and have a look. But I think last time we came back,
can't pedal.
that's what we
Where's
figured.
Steve Simone when you need him? I never thought I'd say that.
Oh, that's cool.
He's saying the other one. I don't think this is it, is it? They've just redone the track. You gotta have speed.
Taking part on
You
corner.
need speed, don't you?
What time is it? How long have we been riding? Have we done a 2-hour ride?
No,
Otherwise, Punchy will say, you dogs.
we haven't.
Come on, we've got to go 2-hour ride.
Oh, my eyes been going in circles anyway.
Now we've got to pass everybody again.
Methanol, yeah.
Come on, I get a bit more pace than that. Go, Brizzy.
guy who's speaking here?
Dom Knight, he does
I know Dom,
yeah,
yeah.
the evening show.
Listen to Dom.
Yeah.